I'm showing you here how to clean the pump, water pump on the GE washer ultra fresh with vent. Particularly this model is GE washer 650 with the ultra fresh vent, and all you need is a flat head screwdriver, a shallow dish. This is I already opened, so let me show you what was before. So basically this one, something like that, right? All you need to do is, using this flat head screws on the top here where you can see the groove, just insert it and try to pull it down, and this one will be pulled down like this, and it will come out like this. Now just try to lift it up towards you. Do not push down because it's gonna break, like that. Next, put the shallow tray here, pull this down. This filter I'm showing you how to insert. Same way you can do it to remove it. You don't need this to put it back, but I just show you when you take it out you need this dish, and make sure you close it again, like you need to do a couple times, because the water is it's like 1/2 liter of water, and it's not gonna fit here. So this is, I'm going to close right now. You need to push a little bit and then close it clockwise, and you will hear a click. That means it's closed. Same way, you just need to rotate one circle and then pull it. This is how you open it, clean it. Anything you have here, dirt or something. This is a new washer, it's only a week old, and I don't found anything here. The reason I open it because the washer, the loads come out a little smelly, and I thought something might wrong, so I just wanted to making sure everything was right there. So I'm closing back. It was interesting that this time I didn't hear the click. Okay, I think it's done. Not supposed to hear the click. Already, this is going back, and then I'm putting this back in. This is all set. And the instruction is also listed here, and this is a manual.